Little walk around video on this 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This is a four-wheel drive truck that came in from a local dealer. I would have to assume probably a new car dealer trade-in. AC is ice cold. Alloy wheels. Toyo open country tires. This truck does have two scratches right here that I believe will probably buff out. They start at that passenger door and come back. If you catch the light just right, that's why I want to do this video. You can see them. Again, they're almost, seems like they'll rub off with some compound or wet sand. So not a perfect truck cosmetically, but that's really about the only fault. Missing one little piece of trim on that rear bumper. This side's clean. The other side's clean. Undercarriage is clean. The interior is pretty decent. AC is ice cold. You need to detail it. A couple little stains in the seat. They should come right out. Automatic transmission. CD player. Yes, it does have 209,000 miles, but you can hear it running. Runs perfect. No smoke, no noises. V6. Clean truck, runs good. Cheap four-wheel drive transportation, especially for a crew cab Toyota, to be in this $15,000 price bracket. If you have any questions or need anything further, just give us a ring. It does have the overhead console and some good ice cold AC. DavisAutoSales.com, Davis4x4.com. Thanks for watching.